Hey everybody, it's Professor 1970 here. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon on September 26th. This is the third and final video of today to recap of the day to see how our lines did. Just want to go over it with you guys briefly to show you guys how well the lines have held up, and maybe we kind of figure out where the end of the day is going to go. But just to reiterate, last time we looked at this, we started the day here around this 368.10 level. We went up to this yellow line. We had some, we sat here for a couple times where we went above it and below it. Then we went up to the next blue line. Then we went straight through the yellow line and all the way to this blue line at 369.89. As I told you guys in the last video, I tried to go long. That trade never materialized. I got chopped out a couple times, but look on the way down, we hit this yellow line and we had some we hit it a couple times. Then we broke down to the next level. We compressed here. Then we went down. We didn't compress here. We went straight through this yellow line. That's a good sign to go short. And we traded all the way down to the next yellow line, and then we went through a long compression. In the last video, I actually told you guys I was taking this trade right here, and I thought it could either go up here or down here for 10 points. Well, pretty much as soon as I stopped the video, I took gains on 10 points as we dropped on this big candle right here. We actually went right through it down to this level, but sometimes it's hard to say where it's going to stop and where it isn't going to stop. So anyway, then we compressed here, went back up to this yellow line, went back down, and actually tested the red line. Went back up to the yellow line, tested again. We had 3 tests of the red line, and then we've kind of gone back and forth between the yellow lines up here, down here, had a touch here, and now we're back up to this 368.10 line in the sand, back and forth. I told people on Twitter a while back that I thought I wouldn't be surprised if we closed at 36.88, which is right around this level, actually. What I think may happen here is looking at this cloud is I think that we may have a sell-off to 364. I think we may test this 364.26 area. That's just looking at sweeps and so forth. I'm very wary that we could also shoot up here. But right now I'm in cash, but I'm looking to see if we're going to break down between this yellow line right here, and I may take a trade if there's some room to 364 or even a test of the red line. I don't think we're going to break below it, but I think that we're going to end up somewhere. I know this is somewhere from anywhere in this area to here. At the end of the day, I don't think we're going to have a big buying spree going into the close. I think a lot of people don't know what's going on. I think we're taking it day by day. In reality, we haven't gone anywhere. Look, we opened up here at 368.18, and when I started this video, we were at 368.18, but we're selling off a little bit right now, or we may jump right back up to it. So reality is we've had a lot of noise up and down, but we haven't gone anywhere, and I think that's going to be the market for a while until more bad news, more reports come out regarding inflation. So we need to pay attention to that. And I use a good news service for that called Trade Exchange, which I think I'm going to review in the next couple of days. Anyway, so this is the end of the day. You can see that just by drawing these lines, again, if this is the first video you're watching, watch the video we posted this morning on how to draw lines, and then watch the midday, and then watch this video. Otherwise, it's going to be Chinese for you. Anyway, have a great day. I hope you guys made some money. For me, it was an up and down day. I actually ended up positive just by a little bit, actually a little bit over 1%. But at some point I was down, and other point I was up higher. But got chopped out a couple times. I couldn't quite get a read on the direction, and I was trying to do some other stuff at the same time. Anyway, I hope these clout lines help. Tomorrow we'll keep these lines for right now. I'll take a look at it early in the morning to see what happens overnight, to see if these lines are adjusted, and if they are, then I will update that. Happy trading.